In front of me is POCO M7 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. First of all, go into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Then hold this line below brightness slider and drag it down. Now look for your location shortcut. If you didn't add it to your current ones, there is a possibility you won't be able to find it. To fix it, hit Edit. Look for it here, and once you do, hold it, drag it to your currently used shortcuts, let go, and hit Done at the bottom right corner. Now click on it, and as you can see, mine turned blue. That means that location is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same shortcut until it's gray. If you wish, you can also go into Settings, scroll to click on Location section available here, and operate it thanks to this switcher next to Use Location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!